fate of an illegal immigrant charged in the brutal rape and murder of a mother of 5 could soon be in the hands of a jury. Rachel Morin vanished after going for a run back in 2023. Her body later discovered on a popular hiking trail in Maryland. The defendant in this country illegally has a history of violent crimes. Police linking him to a home invasion in Los Angeles. Surveillance video showing him leaving that house. Correspondent Marcus Espinoza live outside the courthouse in Bel Air, Maryland. So, Marcus, where does the trial stand right now?
Well, Kelly, closing arguments going on right now in the courthouse behind me as we speak. So we may very well get a verdict in this case that you just described there. This has certainly grabbed the nation's attention for a number of reasons here. But there's a few things to understand. The state's case wrapped up more than a week-long argument on Friday. That included dozens of witnesses, including a forensic scientist linking Victor Martinez-Hernandez's DNA to the crime scene, they allege. Today, the defense took its turn in trying to defend Martinez-Hernandez. They only called a single witness, Kelly, a digital forensic examiner for the sheriff's office. That examination only lasting about 10 minutes. Alleged killer Victor Antonio Martinez-Hernandez originally entered the U.S. illegally from his native El Salvador, where he's also wanted for murder there. This case grabbing national headlines and becoming a focal point in the immigration debate with Martinez-Hernandez's illegal status, even grabbing the attention of President-elect Trump at the time. Morin's family was invited to the RNC back in July. He's accused of not just the murder of the 37-year-old mother of 5, but also kidnapping and her brutal rape. Martinez paid particular attention in court when brutal photos were shown of the crime scene and took extensive handwritten notes during the case. Also, in a strange and rare move, the defendant's family took the stand on behalf of the prosecution. Family members turned over a bag of clothes and shoes to investigators, which provided the DNA that would match DNA found on Morin from another alleged crime against the defendant in L.A., a home invasion and attack of a 9-year-old girl and her mother in California. As you said at the top there, Kelly, the prosecution claiming Morin had been strangled and had more than a dozen head wounds. Family attorney spokesperson Randolph Rice says this man needs to be locked up for life.
They certainly are happy to see that he would be locked up for the rest of his life. I think they're more concerned about not seeing him hurt anybody else because he does have a history. Remember, he was alleged to have committed a crime in El Salvador, a murder and rape there. Then he committed the crime in California. So keeping him off the streets hopefully will prevent another Rachel Morin.
So again, closing arguments going on right now, and we will see what happens the rest of the day. But we, of course, will bring it to you guys as it happens.
All right, Marcus, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.